What does the biggest interest rate rise since 2000 mean for you? That's what we saw on May 4th. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates by 0.5%. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot. It's because, as well, it's actually not that much more than normal. You saw a bunch of headlines that day, biggest rate increase since the year 2000. Well, technically that's true, but their normal interest rate increases are 0.25% versus 0.5. So we're not talking about a 3 or 4 times increase here. We're talking about just maybe twice as much as they normally do. And the good news was the economy, or the market actually, reacted well. The market went up after this announcement. It was up a couple percent for the day, at least as measured in the S&P 500. And I take that as an encouraging sign that the market knows and accepts that interest rates do need to go up. Why do they need to go up? Well, the main reason is because of inflation. That's kind of our main tool to slow the money down in the economy and create a lower level of inflation going forward. Will they be successful? That remains to be seen. Enough time hasn't passed yet to prove that. But I take it as an encouraging sign for the year that markets went up after a half-point increase in the base interest rate, which will trickle through the economy and work its way into an increase in most interest rates, including probably in your savings account at some point. It's encouraging that the market views that as a good thing, at least on the day. And of course, there's still going to be volatility. They're going to need to continue to raise rates throughout the rest of this year. As for what that means and how that works, that could be addressed in a future video because it'd be too long for this one. But I'm encouraged by what we saw on May 4th with the interest rate rise and the fact that the market reacted positively to it. So we'll look for that to continue, hopefully, as we continue on this year of volatility and inflation that we've had so far. So please subscribe to this video. It's at the bottom. There's a little bell that you can hit to get notified when we make a new video. So with that, I'll sign off and you have a great rest of your week.